Hello everyone and welcome to the another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty levels for the next trading session and a proper view for both the index. And we have seen a good momentum in last day and today's trading session. There is a very good breakout about this horizontal resistance here. Couple of resistance we have seen very similar highs we have seen in so many candles here, which has been broken out yesterday, and the follow-up buying also come in today's trading session. So this is the daily time frame analysis, and the RSI is also above 60, which is also bullish signal and high momentum, the bullish momentum we call it. One more thing here, this bearish candle high is also crossed here and closing above this candle, which is also a good sign for bulls. So these are the few signals Bank Nifty has given very nice bullish signals on daily time frame. One thing here is to note here is there is one small gap resistance here. This is the gap area. Okay, so might possible some kind of pressure of selling may visible in this area, which is around 26,000 226,100 level. So this is the gap area. The price has been rejected from this area here, and now it is near to this entering into this gap area. So in downtrend, gap will always act as a resistance. So that's why we have considered this is as an important area of resistance. So let's mark the levels for tomorrow's trading session with the help of smaller time frame, and I will use 15-minute time frame to check this. We have seen this is the first 15-minute candle, very bullish candle, and then it has given a good upside momentum rally. So let's mark the level, and starting with the today's trading session low. So low is here, and let me change the color also. The high is last candle of today's trading session 25,760, and low is 25,085. So it's almost more than 700 point high and low difference in today's trading session. And we have seen a very good, nice uptrended move in last 2 to 3 trading sessions. So let me check the retracement from this point to this point to find out the important area of support. So support is around 24,950. 24,950, which is 38% retracement of this entire move. So this is the important area of support. Now let me check the important area of resistance. So you can take this is let's take a retracement here. The small retracement exactly 161% is at 25,680, and the 261% retracement comes at 25,970. So let's mark 26,000 as a round number resistance also. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. You can see, watch for next trading session. So let me write it down here also. Resistance is 26,000 and support area is 24,950. So these are the two levels you need to watch for next trading session. Now let's check the Nifty index chart. Starting with the daily time frame, and we have seen there is two hammer candlestick pattern near to this support zone, and we have seen a good bounce of these reversal candles, and expecting some kind of upside move near to this bearish candle high around 11,930, which is a resistance zone for Nifty index, and RSI is below 60 right now, so not a good sign for bulls. So let me mark the level for tomorrow's trading session. So let's start with 15-minute time frame, and let's check retracement of this point to this point. So which is also 38% comes near to the low of today's trading session. So let me mark the low first. So this is the low and this is the high. So these are the two levels, important levels, high and low. Now we can check if we can need to check the support zone, then So 61% comes near to this, and 50% comes to 11,800, 11,686. So I will definitely mark the first 50% retracement as the area of support, which comes at 11,685. And important area of resistance we have seen here also 11,926. And if I really want to check again with multiple theories, then I will take a retracement of this small swing, which also 261 comes at to 11,930. So let's mark this area 11,930 as important area of resistance. So let me mark both of the levels. The resistance is 11,930 spot price and support is 11,685. So these are the levels you need to watch for next trading session, that is 4th of November. So I hope you like this video, how we have marked the levels for next trading session. If you really like this video, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to my channel and wait for another video. Thank you so much.